The Acer Aspire E3-111P8DW is an 11.6-inch laptop with an LCD resolution of 1366x768. It has 4 GB of memory and a 500 GB hard drive. It has an Intel Pentium N35 32.16 GHz processor and Intel HD graphics video adapter but no dedicated video memory. But it lacks an optical drive for burning CDs or DVDs. It comes with Windows 8.1 pre-installed. The Aspire E3-111P8DW has a built-in memory card reader for digital photography, a multi-touch touchpad, and 3 USB ports. It has HDMI out for connecting to an HD TV. It supports Wi-Fi 802.11n, so it's compatible with the latest high-speed routers. The Aspire E3-111P8DW measures 11.4 inches wide by 0.9 inches high by 8.2 inches deep and it weighs 2.5 pounds. It's backed by a 12-month warranty, with 12 months of tech support. Acer Aspire laptops and desktops run the gamut of computers from budget to high-end, including a full line of Ultrabooks. Acer also produces Chromebooks that run Google's Chrome operating system. Gateway is also owned by Acer. The companies do not sell their products direct to consumers, unlike most other computer makers. There are no reviews from Consumer Report subscribers. Be the first Consumer Report subscriber to review this product.